AC Step UI by fspecii, a free, open-source, locally runnable Suno alternative. The pitch is exactly that direct. Spotify-style interface on top of the AC Step 1.5 music generation model. Generate a full 4-minute song in roughly 20 seconds on an A100, 10 seconds on an RTX 3090. 50-plus languages, voice cloning, lyric editing, remixing, lyric to vocal, singing to accompaniment. Free forever, runs on your own hardware, no monthly subscription, no per-generation cost. 1,600 stars on GitHub on the UI side, 10,000 on the model side. We are walking through the whole stack. What the UI does, what the model does, and what it actually takes to run it. Quick stats so you know what you are looking at. The UI repo is github.com/fspecii/astepui. 1,600 stars, 255 forks, primary language JavaScript with a TypeScript layer, no license set on the GitHub metadata, which means default copyright applies, so you can run and clone it, but redistribution rights are ambiguous. The underlying model is AC Step 1.5, separate repo, separate maintainers, MIT licensed, 9,700 stars. 2 repos, 1 stack. The split makes sense. fspecii ships the UI fast, the model team ships model upgrades on their own cadence, and the UI tracks whichever model version it currently supports. If you crack open the UI repo, the structure is exactly what you would expect from a small product team that wants the thing to actually look good. There is the React front-end in TypeScript with a Spotify-inspired layout, sidebar for tracks, main panel for generation, an audio player pinned along the bottom. There is a thin Python server layer that wraps AC Step 1.5 model calls and exposes them over HTTP to the front end. And there is a setup script that installs both halves and wires the file paths together. The repo description says it directly and unambiguously, the ultimate open-source Suno alternative, and based on what is in here, that framing is fair. Quick context on the model under the hood, because the UI is only as good as the model it wraps. Ace Step is a music generation foundation model from Ace Studio and StepFun. They explicitly position it as a foundation model for music in the same shape that GPT is a foundation model for language. It is designed to generate music, vocals, instruments, full songs, with lyrics in many languages, not just isolated samples or stems. Architecturally, it pairs a diffusion-based generation core with Sana's deep compression autoencoder, a lightweight linear transformer, and MERT plus mHubert for semantic representation alignment during training via REPA. The translation of all of that into ordinary English. It generates music as audio rather than as MIDI symbols. It does the generation fast because the diffusion model is small and the autoencoder is aggressive. And it knows what music actually sounds like because the training pipeline aligned the latent space with strong music representations. The result is a foundation model that ships locally, runs on consumer GPUs, and produces output that is genuinely competitive with what you would pay a Suno or Udio subscription for. Specific features worth flagging: voice cloning, provide a vocal sample and the model can sing in that voice. Lyric editing, change a line and regenerate just that part of the track without re-rolling the whole song. Remixing, feed an existing track and prompt and get a variation. Lyric to vocal generation and singing to accompaniment. Those are 2 different directions of the same idea, generating one part of a song from another. Batch generation, up to 8 tracks at once. Multi-language, 50-plus languages, with documented strong performance in English, Japanese, Spanish, and Mandarin. Style and instrument coverage, over 1,000 instruments and styles in the prompt vocabulary. That is more capability surface than most commercial music tools expose, and it is all local. Setup is 2 repos, one for the model and one for the UI. Clone Ace Step 1.5 first, make a Python virtual environment, activate it, install the requirements. That pulls PyTorch, diffusers, transformers, and the Ace Step weights. Then in a sibling directory, clone Ace Step UI and run the setup shell script. The script installs the React frontend, installs the Python server layer that bridges the UI to the model, and wires the backend path. Then start.sh launches both halves. The UI opens on localhost 5173, the model server runs on 7865, and you have a Spotify-style music generator running on your own machine. Let's talk about what you actually need to run this in practice. Because free local unlimited has an asterisk, and the asterisk is your GPU. On an A100, you get the headline 4 minutes and 20 seconds number. On an RTX 3090, it is roughly 10 seconds for a full song. On an RTX 3060 with 12 GB of VRAM, expect somewhere in the 30 to 60 seconds range per generation. CPU only, or integrated graphics, will technically run, but you will measure individual songs in minutes, not seconds. The model also supports Apple Silicon, AMD ROCm, and Intel, so you have options. But the rule of thumb is that RAM and memory bandwidth dominate. If you have 8 GB of RAM, you are at the lower edge. 12 plus is comfortable. 24 is overkill for a single user. The fspecii repo description is unusually honest for this kind of project. It states the goal in plain terms instead of marketing copy, and it does not overpromise. The phrase, "stop paying for Suno," shows up in the repo metadata. That is a direct positioning statement, not a hedge. Read the description as written. 3 caveats before you install. 1. The UI repo has no license set, which legally means default copyright applies. You can run and clone it, but redistribution and forking are in a gray zone until fspecii adds a license. The underlying ACE Step 1.5 model is properly MIT licensed, so the model side is clear. The UI side is what you should watch. 2. Running this locally requires real GPU hardware. If you have a 5-year-old laptop with integrated graphics, this is not the project for you, and that is fine. Suno exists in a browser for a reason. 3. The project is young and moves fast. Pin a commit if you want stability and version your dependencies, because the install flow has tweaked multiple times in the last few weeks. If you have the hardware and you have ever wanted to stop paying a music generation subscription that caps you at 10 or 20 generations a day, this is the project to evaluate this weekend. Clone both repos, install the Python dependencies, run start.sh, and you will be generating full songs from a Spotify-style UI in under an hour. If you do not have the hardware, bookmark it, because GPU prices keep coming down, and this stack is going to keep getting better. Star both repos to follow along, file an issue if you hit a setup snag, and links to the UI repo, the ACE Step 1.5 model repo, and the official project page are all in the description below.